Feet on the dash and the sparks out the window. Talking so deep like it's mixed with the bass low. Going so fast but you know I ain't scared though. Speed up slow, slow down. I want it so bad. Slow down, slow down. Make the seats fall back. Slow down, slow down. The seats fall back, the seats fall. Slow down, slow down. I want it so bad. I feel it in my toes and hands, yeah. And we drive so fast. Try till we get lost. Till we get lost. Till we get lost. Till we get lost. Nothing feels better than the gears moving up, it's so bad. Close call though, cause I love it when you pull it on back. And it's dark outside the way we like to just drive. Deep into things we don't say, but we both understand.
Hello, what's up? Right now, we're currently going for our late lunch because the place we went now is full of virus. So we decided not to eat that.
So he's trying to teach me how to vlog.
So to vlog, you need to be natural. You have to not educate, not the slang shit going on.
Which I did.
So this woman next to me, I'm not covering the money because the woman told me, can is it selfish if you
I said it's selfish. I said, you said where you want to go. Okay, I said,
it's my vlog. No, this is my vlog. Okay?
You don't even have a channel.
I don't need no channel. The channel comes to me.
Have you ever vlogged before?
Oh yes, that's why I'm speaking so natural.
So you say I'm not natural. You just had that slang. Natural.
Yeah, I'm doing a mock video.
No, it's not. It's just not. Okay, so we're going to Kundasang, which is... It's not even a slang.
I don't know nothing.
Okay, we are going to Kundasang, which is like 5 minutes away. Okay, this is my first time vlogging. Please humor me. Rude. Not even something at all.
No. I know you know that I love you deep down. Still, I wonder if I made. I wonder if I made. I wonder if I made the right choice. I wonder if I made. I wonder if I made. I wonder if I made choice after all.
Okay, so we're going back now. It's 3:51 p.m.